Adding a reinforcement lock can increase security without making your door harder to use if you choose the right design and install it thoughtfully. Select a spring-activated reinforcement lock that allows one-handed operation so you can lock and unlock while carrying items. Pick a model with a low profile and smooth action to reduce snagging on clothing or mobility aids. Measure your door swing, trim, and existing hardware so the reinforcement plate and bolt will not bind or interfere with the latch or weather stripping. Place the lock at a height accessible to adults but out of reach of small children to balance safety and usability. If family members use mobility devices, measure reach, range, and test the mechanism before you commit to permanent installation. Use longer screws into the framing for strength and make a trial mount with temporary screws to confirm fit and clearance before final drilling. People commonly over-tighten parts, so the mechanism becomes stiff. If that happens, loosen slightly and lubricate with graphite or a silicone spray. Another issue is choosing a lock that requires two hands. Swap to a spring-activated model or add an auxiliary lever to allow one-handed use. Third, installers sometimes place the lock where it interferes with trim or the doorstop. Reposition the plate and recheck the door swing and weather sealing to avoid binding or drafts. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details and questions in our discussion community. We help contractors find work by allowing them to showcase projects and respond to homeowner posts.